Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best craft gift is probably one of the most exciting and thoughtful ways to show someone you care. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, the world of craft gifts offers endless possibilities for creativity and personalization. From handmade jewelry to custom-painted artwork, the perfect craft gift can bring joy and warmth to any occasion. Number 5. Dan&Darci Glow-in-the-Dark Rock Painting Kit. Looking for a gift that sparks creativity? This kit is perfect for kids who love art and a touch of magic. It allows them to create unique, glowing rock designs. The kit includes everything needed to get started. It comes with natural river rocks, glow-in-the-dark paints, glitter glue, paintbrushes, and fun accessories. It has everything they need to create their own masterpieces. The highlight of this kit is the glow-in-the-dark paints. When the lights go out, the rocks come alive with beautiful designs. Imagine the excitement on their faces as they see their creations glow. Whether they're beginners or experienced artists, this kit is fun for all. The included paintbrushes and accessories make it easy to add personal touches. They can let their imaginations run wild. This kit is a fun and engaging way for kids to spend their time. It's a perfect STEM project, fostering creativity and providing a satisfying final result. It's great for individual play or group activities. What we like? This kit's highlight is the glow-in-the-dark paints, which bring the artwork to life in the dark. It's a fun and engaging way for kids to unleash their creativity. If you are looking for a unique and magical gift that sparks creativity, this is a great choice. What people say. The product is well made. The design is very creative and unique. It is a perfect gift for craft lovers. Number 4. Purple Ladybug Unicorn Water Bottle Kit. Unleash your creativity with this amazing kit. It transforms a simple water bottle into a dazzling unicorn masterpiece. It's easy to decorate and fun to use. This kit has everything you need for a magical crafting experience. It includes a water bottle, charms, stickers, and more. You'll have lots of fun creating your own unique design. Looking for a special gift? This is it. It's fun, creative, and practical, perfect for birthdays or any occasion. It's a gift they'll truly love. The stickers are waterproof and easy to apply. The lid is designed for small hands, and the wide mouth makes cleaning a breeze. It's designed to be both fun and functional. We care about your child's safety. The water bottle is made with BPA-free, non-toxic materials. Every product is rigorously tested to meet safety standards. What we like? This kit allows kids to personalize their own water bottle with unicorn-themed stickers and charms. It's fun, creative, and practical. If you have a unicorn lover who needs a new water bottle, this kit is perfect for them. What people say. The product is well made and the design is beautiful. The craftsmanship is excellent, and the details are exquisite. It's a great gift option for craft lovers. Number 3. SUNGEMMERS Window Gem Art Suncatcher Kits. This kit includes pre-printed templates and over 1,000 gem stickers. It's a bright, mess-free, hands-on creative project for kids. They will love creating their own sparkling art. Kids can explore self-expression by designing their own suncatchers. It's ideal for screen-free crafting and building their confidence. They can enjoy imaginative play at home or on the go. This kit enhances fine motor skills and color matching. It's perfect for early learners and quiet focus time. They can develop spatial awareness through guided gem placement. There's no glue or paint needed, just peel and stick fun. It's ideal for parents seeking easy cleanup. This project offers calm, independent fun for kids. Finished designs can be mounted on windows or mirrors. Kids can show off their creations with pride. They can also share these handmade gifts with family. This kit is lightweight and portable, perfect for gifting or on-the-go entertainment. It's ideal for various occasions. It's a great choice for stocking stuffers or party favors. What we like? This kit allows kids to create sparkling window art with gem stickers. It's a mess-free and fun activity. If you're looking for a creative and easy craft project, this is a great choice. What people say. The product is well made and the design is beautiful. The craftsmanship is excellent, and the details are exquisite. It's a great gift idea for anyone who appreciates handmade items. Number 2. Purple Ladybug Mosaic Photo Frame Craft Kit. This amazing kit from Purple Ladybug lets kids create their own mosaic photo frame. It's a fun and engaging activity that encourages creativity and hands-on learning. The kit includes everything needed to get started: a wooden frame, shimmering mother-of-pearl shells, glue, and a spreader. It's designed for kids aged 6 and up, making it a perfect gift. The mosaic tiles are made from genuine mother-of-pearl, giving the frame a beautiful, multicolor shine. Each piece is unique, allowing kids to express their own design style. The kit uses child-friendly glue and a spreader stick for easy application. Cleanup is minimal, and all materials are non-toxic, making it safe for indoor use. This craft promotes fine motor skills, color recognition, and spatial awareness. It's a great introduction to art and design thinking through fun play. This is a meaningful gift for birthdays, holidays, or just a fun activity. The finished frame is a lasting keepsake of their creative effort, something they can be proud of. What we like. This kit allows kids to create a mosaic photo frame using genuine mother-of-pearl shells. It's a hands-on activity that promotes creativity and fine motor skills. If you are looking for a meaningful gift that encourages creativity, this is a great choice. What people say. The product is well made and the design is beautiful. The craft gift is very detailed and the functionality is great. Number 1. Art Unicorn and Princess Sticker Kit. This amazing kit is perfect for young artists. It includes everything they need to create beautiful art, and it's easy to use. Inside, you'll find enchanting canvases and thousands of stickers. The kit even comes with a unicorn play pal to spark their imagination. Forget the glue and the mess. The dot stickers stick easily to the canvases, providing screen-free entertainment at home or on the go. This kit encourages creative play and storytelling. Kids can create their own stories around their artwork, providing hours of entertainment. It's an ideal gift for birthdays and holidays. This kit combines entertainment, creativity, and a touch of magic for children aged 3 to 7. As children narrate stories, they develop vocabulary and storytelling skills. They can describe their art and invent characters. This kit helps develop hand-eye coordination and creativity. It also helps with color recognition and sensory exploration. What we like. This kit provides a mess-free dot sticker art activity with a unicorn theme. It's perfect for developing hand-eye coordination and creativity. If you like a travel-friendly and engaging activity for young children, you should consider this. What people say. Included a lot of pages of the colored dots. The boards are thick and durable. The stickers are silky so they don't rip very easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.